guys, B Haynes here at PrettyPRChickTV. Thanks for tuning in to this video. So if you are a new member of the fam, welcome. If you're a veteran member, welcome back. And before we get into the video, please do me a favor. Please click that thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you are not already so you can check out more of my random videos. And please be sure to share this video wherever you share videos. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be another plant haul. So I have been in self-isolation for a month, and the only thing I've been doing besides working from home is pretty much rearranging my apartment and ordering plants every day. Not every day, but a lot. So I am trying to patronize local nurseries as much as possible here in Western New York. I live in Buffalo. There are some really good nurseries out in the surrounding areas, like out in the suburbs. I got this big box today, and this is from Angle Acres Nursery. They are here in Western New York, and they posted on their social that they were doing shipping, and I was like, bet. So I checked out their Instagram, went through their photos, DM back and forth with Judy, shout out to Judy, and it was a pretty easy experience. So basically they had a sale, or they still have a sale, where if you buy 4, 3 or 4 inch potted plants, you get 1 free. So I bought 8 and I got 2 free. And just to save time in this video, I actually just cut the plastic off everything. I haven't checked it out yet or anything, but because they had it wrapped up so securely, it would just take me forever to open up each one on camera. The first one is this guy right here, and this is a satin pothos. So pretty. So pretty. It has it's got like 3 vines, 2 long ones. It is gorgeous. It's in great shape. Hopefully my camera is picking up. I actually was gonna film this on my DSLR, and I realized all my batteries are dead. And then I switched to my vlogging camera, and all my batteries are dead. I guess I haven't charged them the whole time I've been in the house. So I'm filming on my iPhone. But these leaves are freaking gorgeous. It's really healthy and in really great condition. It's just a little dirty. Some of the potting soil spills out, but I'll clean it off. And this guy, like I said, is in a 3-inch pot, and it costs $4. Like, that's amazing. A 3-inch MICANS philodendron. Look how full that is. Like, that is super full. It's more compact than the satin, but it's really pretty. It has like pink on the underleaves. That's really nice, and those roots are starting to come out. So but it doesn't seem root bound really. But yeah, that's super pretty, and this one was also $4. And then I got some 4-inch plants. The first one, look at this. Woo. Like I said, I haven't checked these out. I literally just cut the packaging off. This one got like really dirty during shipping, and I think they just watered it right before they packed it, so it's kind of wet. But this is a marble queen pothos. I don't know if you're supposed to say pothos or pothos. I hear people say it both ways, so whatever. But look how freaking full that is. If you guys can see the pot, I mean, that is just all plant. There's so many leaves, and they're like big and beautiful. Look how big those leaves are. Yeah, so this one's gorgeous, and this was $7. So this guy right here, this is a neon pothos, and it's in a 4-inch pot. Look how cute that is. So it has like these neon green leaves. Some look more yellow, some look more green. Super gorgeous. A lot of healthy plant in there. There's some new leaves unfurling. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited because I've always wanted this plant. There's like 3 new leaves unfurling in there. That's like my favorite sight. And this guy was $7. Next up, oh my god, this is at the top of my wish list. This is a philodendron Brazil. This is in a 4-inch pot, and this guy was also $7. So it's kind of similar to the neon, but the leaves are like partially green, partially light green, partially yellow. I just love like the color variation. I think that's so pretty, and I'm trying to be careful because there is dirt and water kind of spilling every time I tip this over. but it's gorgeous. It's got a lot of leaves in there. It's got a couple of babies down at the bottom. I am just psyched. Oh my gosh, I see new leaves, little unfurled leaves. So excited. I just love when you get new plants and you see like a bunch of new growth, and the plant just looks super healthy and happy. So there's that guy. This one I'm most excited about. So this guy right here, this is a Moonlight philodendron. Look at that. You see a theme. I think I like, I don't know, like any brightly colored, easy to care for plant. So it has these two giant yellow leaves, and then it's got about 6 of these medium-sized leaves around it, and then there's 3 little new leaves at the bottom. This guy was $10. I'm really excited about this, and it's definitely worth the $10 because the only place that I could really find this plant was on Etsy and a couple of other websites, but they were way more expensive, and a lot of them were offering like a 2-inch plant, so like a newly rooted plant for more money, and I was like, oh no. But it also has a new unfurled leaf right there, and it is yellow. You can see it, and it's gorgeous, and I'm super happy about it. Okay, and then the 2 let's see, most expensive plants that I got were this Sansevieria golden henai. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I could be wrong. This was $12. It is in a 4-inch pot, and it has a big full plant in there, and then it has a little baby offshoot right there. Now this next plant I'm super excited about. This is like in my top 5 favorite plants of all time. This is the watermelon peperomia, and this is in a, I believe this is a 3, I think this is a 3-inch pot. It could be a 4, but it looks different than the other ones, but it may be a 4-inch, but this one was $12. I'm so excited. I actually had this plant before, but it got like a little like plant disease from another plant that I brought home. It kind of sat next to it, and I was so sad, so I couldn't save it. I tried. It held on forever. It was growing new leaves, but it just kept dying at the same time. So this guy is gorgeous. I mean, that's a really full plant. It has tons of leaves. It's got little teeny tiny babies. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you guys, but it's got little teeny tiny babies coming in, if you see down there. It just looks really full and really happy, and there's no roots coming out. This guy doesn't feel root bound at all. I'm just gonna leave him in this pot forever, well, until I have to repot him, but I'm so happy about it. But he is very dry and very thirsty, so I'm gonna give him a good drink. Now I'm gonna show you guys the 2 plants I got for free, and literally I was so excited right before I turned the camera on when I cut them out of the plastic, because these are 2 really good plants to get for free, so I'm super happy. The first one is this guy right here. Look at the size of this. This is in a 4-inch pot, and it is so freaking full, just full of like beautiful healthy leaves. This is a Pothos Enjoy. I am familiar with this plant because I actually have a bigger version of this plant that I've been growing, I don't know, maybe for like the past year, or maybe since last summer. And I actually really love this plant. It's not very troublesome. It just puts out these huge clusters of leaves, and it's super duper pretty. It has this camouflage kind of pattern to it. It's just awesome, and this one is amazing. That's freaking amazing. Like, there's so many like new unfurled leaves coming in, so I'm super excited to put this in the little probably in my living room window, so I can get like medium light, because that's what my other one likes. So I'm super excited about that. And then I got this little guy, which is, I believe this is a 3-inch pot, and this is a red edge peperomia. The only reason I know what this plant is called is because I saw another person in my Western New York plant group, and they actually got the same plant as their free plant, and so they identified it. But it's really pretty, and the leaves have these little red edges, so it looks like the older leaves eventually turn green, but they keep like that red edge, and then like the newer leaves are like pink when they start out. Super duper cute. Super excited about that. So those are like 2 really good finds to be free, so super grateful. But yeah, overall I'm super duper happy with my haul. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. So I am going to go place my little plant babies in their new pots and put them in their little spots, and you guys have a great day. All right, so I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out.